UEM's November NAV total return was up by 2.7%, outperforming the MSCI Emerging Markets Total Return Index, which decreased by 3.2% in sterling terms, as some of the recent gains in AI and technology stocks were reversed. Whilst there was some weakness in the middle of the month, markets were generally positive for November as a whole, buoyed by solid corporate results, the end of the US governmental shutdown, and the potential for a US rate cut in December. Markets with more of a technology focus, such as the NASDAQ and the Korean and Taiwanese markets, declined in November. Brazil's market was especially strong, with the Bovespa index rising by 6.4% as investors anticipate interest rate cuts in the new year and foreign investors continue to be net buyers. Chile's IPSA index gained 7.4% following the first round of the presidential election, which is now expected to be won by a pro-Trump right-wing candidate, José Antonio Cast. Asian markets were mixed during the month, with positive performances seen in Indonesia, Vietnam, the Philippines and India, whilst China were weaker. In Europe, the Greek market was particularly strong, with the ASE index up by 4.4%. In the portfolio, there was one change to the top 30 holdings in November, with Mexican airport group GAP replacing Kunlun Energy. Significant gainers in the month included Horizon, which was up 15.5%, GAP, which was up 14.3%, and Axia Energia, which was up 12.7%, all after posting very solid Q3 results. Kinks gained 11.8% after a Korean activist fund announced a tender offer for shares in its parent Gabia. The Niue Expressway was up by 12.6% as Chinese investors sought out high-yield stocks. Manila Water gained 10.2%, bouncing back after its shares sold off in October in the wake of Maynilad Water's IPO. Significant fallers included Sunivision, which fell by 14.9% as market concerns over its near-term growth outlook persisted, and NHPC declined by 9.7% as adverse weather impacted its Q2 26 results and construction work. UEM's share price increased by 4.3% in November, ending the month at 268p, with the discount narrowing to 10.8%. UEM continued to buy back shares during the month. After the month end, UEM became a constituent of the FTSE 250 index. The quarterly dividend of 2.42p per share was declared and will be paid on the 23rd of December. The ex-date was the 4th of December. For more details, please do read UEM's November fact sheet, which is available on the website at uemtrust.co.uk. Thank you for your interest in UEM.